Hi, today I'm making lima beans and black-eyed peas. I have a leftover ham bone from Easter, and I decided to go ahead and boil this and see what I can make. So I decided on lima beans and black-eyed peas. This is one of those southern favorites that is perfect with a leftover ham bone. So I begin with one onion, and I'm slicing that whole onion to be added to the ham bone that I've added water to. You saw that a little while ago. I'm going to then go ahead and season my water. I'm using Laurie's seasoned salt to taste. I got some that's a little, not quite as much salt, 25% less it says. Nature seasoned salt, which I like to use, black pepper, as well as 3 cloves of garlic that I've cut in half, as well as 2 bouillon cubes. Right, I use bouillon cubes to help flavor the water as well. I'm using garlic powder to taste just a little bit more, and I've seasoned all of this just to my liking. So you can use, as much or as little as you want. But the goal is to let this cook down for the next 90 minutes. As this ham bone cooks down, it will, all of the meat and any fat will fall off the bone, and it'll create a rich broth. And this is where I begin to sort of separate out the fat and maintain the broth and the ham. From there, I'm adding 2 packages of frozen black-eyed peas. And I'm gonna go ahead and stir it into the broth. And then I'm also adding 2 packages of lima beans. Okay, you can see me doing that here. And I like the frozen for this recipe. Makes it a little bit quicker. Typically, if you use dried beans, you'd have to soak them overnight. And then you could use them in this way with the leftover ham bone. I've mixed this, and I'm going to go ahead and just cover this black-eyed pea and lima bean mix and let it continue to cook. It's going to cook at least another 45 minutes covered. In the meantime, I've made some cornbread, and once it's done, the beans and the peas will look like this. They should be softened, and when I tell you this tastes incredible, the leftover ham, the bouillon, the onions, all of the seasonings make this leftover dish, this inexpensive dish, something that you should definitely try. And that's my lima beans and black-eyed peas.